Ed Burke's corruption trial continues as federal prosecutors delve further into an alleged scheme to shake down the owners of a Burger King franchise.
It's one of 4 episodes of alleged corruption that led to federal charges against the once powerful Chicago alderman. WGN's Mike Lowe reports from the Dirksen Federal Building.
In court today, U.S. attorneys detailed how a routine remodeling project at a fast food restaurant became part of this historic corruption trial, a trial that could define the career of one of Chicago's most prominent politicians. The day began with former Burger King franchise executive Jeff McDonald on the witness stand. He was overseeing the remodeling project at this Burger King at 40th Street and South Pulaski Road in Chicago's 14th Ward. McDonald met with then-Alderman Ed Burke, hoping to get the alderman to sign off on the project. After the meeting, McDonald sent an email to other franchise executives describing the encounter with the former alderman. He was angry. Burke was upset about crime associated with overnight truck parking on the Burger King property. McDonald said that Burke also told him the company needed to be a better neighbor and should make a donation to the Greater Chicago Food Depository. In the email, he called that request the shakedown. Assistant U.S. Attorney Sarah Stryker asked McDonald, "Why did you write that?" He replied, "Because it felt like a shakedown." "What did you mean by that?" "We were not going to get this permit until there was some neighborhood or philanthropic effort to be involved with the city and the community." In cross-examination, Burke's defense attorney Chris Gare said, "This supposed shakedown involved Mr. Burke asking about philanthropy?" McDonald replied, "Yes. Something to help the community, correct?" "Yes." In that email, McDonald also wrote to the Burger King franchise owner's son, Zoe Donati. Next to the mayor, Burke is arguably the most powerful politician in Chicago. Without his signature, we cannot get a permit. One more catch: once we satisfy his desires, he wants to meet with you and or your dad. He won't sign off until he does. Though not in the email, McDonald testified that Burke had also asked him about the company's tax appeal work in their meeting, something that Burke appeared to link with the approval of permits during this phone call with Zoe Donati, which was secretly recorded by the FBI.
We were going to talk about the real estate tax representation, and you're going to have somebody get in touch with me so we can expedite your permits.
I'm sorry, Mr. Burke, what was that last part?
You're going to have somebody call me so we can help you make sure you get your permits for the remodeling?
In a separate email, McDonald wrote, "Driveway permits are basically another money grab by the city." Burke's defense attorney used that as an example of McDonald's penchant for using pejoratives to describe legal actions. Chris Gare said, "You use the negative term money grab to describe a lawful fee for the city of Chicago, just like you used the term shakedown to describe a philanthropic donation to the Greater Food Depository, didn't you?" McDonald replied, "Yes." In the end, the permits were granted and the remodeling project was finished. Those Burger King franchise owners never hired Burke's private law firm. Burke and his co-defendant in this episode, Peter Andrews, have both pleaded not guilty. Reporting at the Dirksen Federal Building, Mike Lowe, WGN News.